What a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. At the park and swimming in my pool. Yeah.
What you doing, Mr. Papa?
Hey, what are y'all doing here? What are y'all doing here?
What are you doing here, Mr. Puppet?
Yeah, I came over here swimming. At the park. Get off me, Noris. Get off me. Noris, get off me, Noris. Let go of me, Noris. Hey.
The water feels good, Mr. Puppet.
Hey, I didn't invite you to my pool. What are y'all doing here?
We always invited to any of your parties.
My party? You know today's my birthday, right?
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mr. Puppet! Tell Mr. Puppet happy birthday,
Hey, Noris. It's my birthday, Noris.
I'm ready!
Hey, get off me, Noris. Noris, get off me. Noris, I don't know how to swim, Noris. Get off me, Noris. I don't know how to swim, Noris. Noris, you wet my hair, Noris. I know, Noris.
Does the water feel good, Mr. Puppet?
It's cold. I almost went in the water. Get off me, Noris.
Oh, I have an idea.
You don't never have ideas.
Let's have a water gun fight.
How y'all gonna have ideas in my pool? Huh? I almost drowned.
Oh my God, that was funny. Okay.
Hey man, what are y'all doing to me? Get off me, Noris! Get off me! Get off me, Noris! I don't know how to swim, Noris! Noris, get off me, Noris! Not again, Noris! Not again!
Body tackle! Body tackle!
Okay. I guess I'm gonna take a break. Yeah, with my hair. Oh no! Get off me! Get off me, Noris! Noris, get up! All right, I'm gonna take a break. I'm tired. Okay?
Mr. Puppet.
I'll be back. I'll be back, yeah. Give me my back. Okay.
Mr. Puppet,
I did a break. I'm tired now. Oh, y'all have me over here. I don't even know how to swim. What are y'all going to do right now?
We're gonna have fun.
What kind of fun?
We're gonna play water gun fight, we're gonna swim, and we're gonna enjoy the hot day.
Hot day? Let me tell you how hot it is. Where's the sun today?
It's in the clouds right now. It'll come out later. Yeah.
What do you think, Noris? What are you going to do, Noris?
Wait away! I'm away!
Whoa! Okay, I'm going to let y'all play. I'm about to go over there and sit down and dry up because, Noris, you got me all wet, Noris! Noris, you got me all wet! Okay, I'm going to let y'all play then, okay?
Okay.
Talk to y'all later, okay?
Okay. Bye.
What are y'all doing now?
We took a break and started eating.
Eating?
Yeah. Noris, what are you eating?
Hey, Noris.
You're eating popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chicken? I'm over here trying to dry up. Noris wet me. I ain't going swimming no more with Noris. Look, Noris, I'm all wet. My mama gonna get mad at me now, Noris.
Go in the sun, Mr. Puppet.
What?
Dry.
Huh?
Go in the sun.
My son? I don't have no son.
Go in the sun.
Go in the sun for what?
So you can try.
Oh, I can do that?
Yeah.
I'm about to go in the sun now. Hey, I think I'm hungry.
You want some sandwich?
Sandwich?
Yeah.
You want some genetic popcorn?
Popcorn?
Not guy with a popcorn.
Noris! So y'all not gonna share with me then?
Oh yeah. Here, Mr. Puppy. You want some sandwich?
I keep forgetting I'm not a dog, huh? Okay, y'all go ahead and enjoy your food then, okay?
Okay.
Bleh.
Set, go! Whoa, what
Hey, what are y'all doing now? Hey, Noris, what are you doing, Noris? Noris, where you going, Noris? Noris! Noris! What are you screaming about, Noris? What is that?
A bug. A bug. A bug. A bug. Where's the bug? It's just a little ant. I don't like ants.
You don't like ants? Me neither. No one does.
Do you like ants?
Noris, did you like the water sprinklers?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, you don't, Noris. You were crying.
Oh, is Noris a chicken?
Ready, set, go. Wheel. Ready? Oh no. Your turn, Noris. Go. I need a hat. You need your hat.
Oh, you think that's funny, huh?
Yeah.
Looks like little worms.
What do you think they are? Guys! Yes, Noris. Yes, Noris. I idea.
What's your idea, Noris?
No! You put your hat
No,
on
I gotta
your
watch out.
feet.
Okay. Hello, Noris. There you go, Noris. Let me see. Okay, now we can go in.
Hey, I'm glad I got out the poop.
Yeah. Oh, we brought the turtle in the pool. Oh, looks like Noris doesn't like the turtle in the pool.
Back into the pool.
Okay. What are we gonna do now, Noris? What does it look like, Noris? It looks like